Good afternoon, folks. Allan here at Ottawa St-Laurent Jeep and Ram at 900 St-Laurent Boulevard. Got a nice brand new addition to our lot, 2021 Toyota Sienna LE Hybrid. Beautiful vehicle. For the 2021 model year, Toyota decided that they would just go straight hybrid with the Sienna, so it's the only option available now. And it comes with a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine and 2 electric motors. This guy has only 38,529 kilometers on it. Comes with a balance of the factory warranties, so you get the balance of the 3-year 60,000 kilometer comprehensive, 5-year 100,000 kilometer powertrain, an 8-year 160,000 kilometer hybrid component warranty, and on top of that a 10-year 240,000 kilometer hybrid battery warranty. This vehicle's in superb shape with no damage on it. Tires are in great shape. It'll seat 8. Some nice features on the exterior. It does have power sliding doors that open up, make it easy to access the van. The back area here gives you lots of space in behind the seats. The extra seat to make it 8-passenger is back here, but can be installed in between the 2 second-row seats. The third-row seats will stow down into the floor to give you more cargo space if needed. So get into the second row here. The way it's configured right now will seat 7, but as I mentioned, the 8-passenger seat can go in the middle here between the 2 seats by removing this center console. You do have 2 USB ports here on the back of the center console for passengers. Large spacious area in the back here. Extra USB ports. Extra cup holders for the third row passengers. Looking up into the front, you've got this very large, spacious center console. Lots of space, more USB ports. As you know, keep pointing them out. There's actually 7 USB ports scattered throughout the vehicle for use for passengers and the driver. The vehicle does come with a 9-inch touchscreen. Moving from the back seat area into the front seat, power driver seats available. We have automatic headlamp and heated seats functions here. So you move inside. Electronic cluster here in the center screen. As I mentioned, the 9-inch touchscreen is capable with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Amazon Alexa. You got automatic temperature control, heated seats, heated steering wheel, as I mentioned. The vehicle does come equipped with radar cruise or adaptive cruise control and lane departure warning and a driver assist when that is active. So this low mileage 2021 Toyota Sienna Hybrid offers a great capability, passengers, and fuel economy. And right now, with gas prices being at $2 a liter, why not save yourself a bundle of money on gas? Pick up a hybrid. Just call Allan here at Ottawa St-Laurent Jeep and Ram at 613-745-7051. You can reach out to me by email as well at agarner@ottawadodge.com. I'd love to see you, love to help you out on this beautiful van. Thanks a lot.